In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Elementor cache on your WordPress website. This is an essential step if you're experiencing issues with design changes not appearing or if your website is running slower than you'd like. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to clear cached files confidently, helping Elementor to run more smoothly and efficiently on your site. Let's begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Elementor tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Hover over it, and you'll see a list of options. Click on Tools, and you'll be taken to a new page with various settings related to maintaining and optimizing your Elementor performance. On this page, ensure you are on the General Settings tab. This is where you can manage several crucial functions, including clearing your Elementor cache. You'll notice an option labeled Clear Files and Data, which might also be called Regenerate Files and Data, depending on your version of Elementor. Go ahead and click on this option. Doing so will delete cached CSS and HTML files as well as library data. The purpose of this is to allow Elementor to rebuild these files from scratch. By clearing these cached files, you're essentially instructing Elementor to refresh and create the most up-to-date version of your site's design and functionality. Clearing the cache is particularly beneficial when you've made significant design changes. But for some reason, those changes aren't showing up as expected on your live site. It can also help resolve issues where your design looks different in the editor compared to the live server. Now, there's one more optional step you can take to ensure your Elementor library is fully up to date. This will not only include regenerating styles and data, but also make sure any templates or blocks you use are synced correctly. Simply click on the button labeled Sync Library. This option refreshes template or block data, ensuring everything remains in alignment and continues to work smoothly. It's a nice additional step that can save you troubleshooting time in the long run if you've recently added or altered templates and see discrepancies. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage the cache for Elementor on your WordPress site. Consistently clearing your cached files when necessary can prevent potential issues and keep your website functioning at its best. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your website.